Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here are 50 ideas for shop business in India. 1. Food and beverage. Cafe. Coffee shop. Fast food restaurant. Ice cream parlor. Juice bar. Restaurant. Snack bar. Tea shop. 2. Retail. Clothing store. Electronics store. Furniture store. Grocery store. Hardware store. Home goods store. Jewelry store. Mobile phone store. 3. Services. Beauty salon. Car wash. Dry cleaning. Electrical repair. Internet cafe. Laundry service. Mobile repair. Photography studio. Plumbing repair. 4. Other. Bookstore. Florist. Gift shop. Lottery shop. Stationery store. Travel agency. These are just a few ideas to get you started. There are many other profitable shop businesses that you could start in India. The best business for you will depend on your interests, skills, and the local market. Here are some factors to consider when choosing a shop business in India. 1. Demand. Is there a demand for the products or services you want to sell? 2. Competition. How much competition is there in the market? 3. Investment. How much money do you have to invest in the business? 4. Location. Where will you set up your shop? 5. Licensing. Do you need any licenses or permits to start the business? Once you have considered these factors, you can start to narrow down your options and choose the best shop business for you. Here are some additional tips for starting a shop business in India. 1. Do your research. Before you start any business, it is important to do your research and understand the market. 1. This includes understanding the demand for your products or services, the competition, and the legal requirements. 2. Create a business plan. A business plan will help you to outline your goals and strategies for the business. 2. This will be a valuable tool as you start and grow your business. 3. Get funding. If you need funding to start your business, there are a number of government and private sector programs that can help. 4. Find a good location. The location of your shop is important for attracting customers. 4. Choose a location that is in a high traffic area and that is easy for customers to find. 5. Hire the right people. If you are going to hire employees, it is important to hire the right people for the job. 5. Make sure that they are qualified and that they have the skills and experience that you need. 6. Market your business. Once you are up and running, you need to start marketing your business. 6. This includes creating a website, advertising, and networking. Starting a shop business can be a great way to be your own boss and to build a successful business. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of success.